Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
In sleep, you appear to be inside the dream. In wakefulness, you are already free from the dream. In sleep, you appear to be a person inside the dream. In wakefulness, you know your conscious state. In sleep, whatever that appears is accepted as real inside the dream. In wakefulness, you come to know nothing appears so that they can disappear. In sleep, you accept that you are born inside the dream. In wakefulness, you know your unborn reality. Prior to space, prior to dream, prior to duality. In sleep, everything appears real. Every movement appears real inside the dream. In wakefulness, there is neither movement nor any objects beyond space. In sleep, the disappearance of the form is accepted as death inside the dream. In wakefulness, you know your deathless unborn reality. In sleep, you accept that you are so and so inside the dream. In wakefulness, you know that you are a conscious being beyond space. In sleep, you do not know where you are. In wakefulness, you know what you are. In sleep, your conscious presence is not known. In wakefulness, your conscious presence is known. In sleep, every sound is accepted as real inside the dream. In wakefulness, you are prior to the sound. You are prior to words beyond space. In sleep, every knowledge about every object is accepted as real inside the dream. In wakefulness, you come to know the stillness which is beyond knowledge, beyond words. In sleep, the memory is accepted as real inside the dream. In wakefulness, your consciousness knows that it is prior to the memory and it is not the memory. In sleep, the time with respect to the movement of the object is accepted as real inside the dream. In wakefulness, your consciousness knows its a timelessness. In sleep, you appear to be tensed, depressed, frustrated, inside the dream. In wakefulness, you remain peaceful, joyful, totally relaxed, beyond space. In sleep, you cannot know your original state beyond duality. In wakefulness, you come to know your original state prior to duality. The dream appears and disappears in sleep. In wakefulness, there's neither appearances nor disappearances beyond space. Your consciousness remains asleep by accepting itself to be a person, by accepting itself to be the perceived form. In space, to be real. Why? Because your consciousness needs to wake up. Why your consciousness needs to wake up? Because only when your consciousness wakes up, it knows its unborn eternity, the unmoving reality, the unchanging eternity. So your consciousness is already wakeful inwardly, and it is already peaceful inwardly, but unable to know its wakefulness through peacefulness because it is constantly identifying every object that is spontaneously manifested in space to be real and to be the only reality. Your consciousness sleeps because it does not know that only out of itself everything is manifested just now, that too spontaneously. No person ever here. Your consciousness sleeps by accepting itself to be a person, by accepting itself to be the form in space, and your consciousness remains wakeful once it is conscious of itself inwardly. So your consciousness, knowing its conscious state inwardly and knowing the stillness inwardly is most essential to know your unborn eternity, to know your ever-present reality beyond duality. My whole teaching is only to uproot the ignorance that you are born, that you are suffering, that you are going to disappear at the form level. My whole teaching is only to make you know the eternal observer beyond space, the ultimate observer beyond space, the ever-present observer beyond space, beyond time, beyond object, beyond birth and death. My whole teaching is addressed exclusively to the consciousness within, which is unknowingly accepting itself to be a form, to be the person, to be the form, to be the person, to be the identifications related to the form. At least now, know the conscious state inwardly beyond words. Words are not you. Words just indicate the movements, the appearances and disappearances. You are neither the movement, nor the appearance, nor the disappearances, nor the words. So stay beyond words as much as possible and use words only when it is essential. Words are not you, they are only for utility. Once you understand these teachings deeply, you will not waste words unnecessarily, rather you will stay beyond words, and by staying beyond words you are settling in your original state. By staying beyond words in stillness, your consciousness is settling in its original state rather than identifying itself to be a person in space. It is relieving itself from the space level dreamy duality where it is accepting itself to be a person, to be born, to be suffering. So only in wakefulness your consciousness comes to know that nothing never happens inwardly in its original state, because inwardly there's no movement. There's neither appearance nor disappearances. but eternal nectar state, the endless joyful state, the infinite peaceful state. You come to know that you only observe and you are already prior to the duality show, and you come to know that nothing never happens to you, the observer, prior to the duality show, and you come to know that whatever perceived as birth at the form level is a dream happening, whatever perceived as death at the form level is only a dream happening and not real. Once you know that you are neither born nor can die, you remain utterly relaxed. You are totally relieved from the dreamy show. Till then, you are constantly trapped by the dreamy show to be real, because your consciousness is sleeping. Why your consciousness is sleeping? Because it is yet to know its conscious state. Why your consciousness is unable to know its conscious state? Because its focus is only towards the objects. Why your consciousness is focusing its attention only towards the objects? Because your consciousness is yet to know that it is the subject out of which every object appears, moves and disappears. Subject is your own I amness consciousness, and every object, every matter, every appearance, every movement happens out of your I amness consciousness. So first settle inwardly and know that your I amness is not a person, not the limited form, nor the identifications related to the form, but infinite being. You are vast, endless, beginningless, and your conscious state cannot be described. So first get to know your endless conscious state inwardly in stillness. The moment you settle in stillness, you come to know the indescribable beauty of your conscious state, and you remain more wakeful inwardly, and nothing affects you. Inwardly, nothing affects you. Inwardly, you are fearless, but outwardly, at the personality level, everything affects you. You remain fearful constantly at the surface level, but inwardly, you are fearless. Inwardly, you are beyond movement. So why not you settle inwardly and know your fearlessness and know your conscious state and remain wakeful inwardly. Truth is very, very simple. It is that you are already that. Truth is that you are already that. That means the eternal state, the absolute wholeness, the supreme reality. Whether you realize or not, whether you wake up or not, whether you sleep or not, you are that already and always. But without knowing this supreme truth, you are trapped constantly and remain tensed constantly, because without waking up, you are accepting the dream alone to be the reality. So whatever that appears inside the dream is accepted as real. And without waking up, your consciousness sleeps. So it is unable to know its eternity beyond duality. See, you are lying down in the bed and the dream goes on. Inside the dream, you appear to be of certain shape and design, and your form goes on growing, and you go on accumulate so many materials. And everything is accepted as real with respect to memory. And your form disappears. You never know that at the conscious level you are ever here, only the form appears and disappears. Just now, the form appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed, where in your consciousness, just because of the simple fact that your consciousness does not know that it is consciousness, that your consciousness is yet to know that only out of itself the entire world happens just now, entire cosmos happens just now, entire manifestation happens just now. Your consciousness appears to sleep outwardly, though it is wakeful inwardly. So the only possibility for your consciousness to know its unborn eternity is to be conscious of itself inwardly and to settle inwardly and to stay beyond words inwardly and to observe silently. Such a simple thing. Just now you are that, whether your eyes are open or not, whether you remain asleep or wakeful, you are that. But you come to know your reality only through wakefulness, not through sleeping. Through sleeping, you cannot know what you are, you cannot know where you are. So, unknowingly you accept the dream to be real. It is like you are accepting the dream to be real, to be real, to be real. How long? Till you wake up. Had you not woken up from the dream is accepted as real. Just because you woke up from the dream, you say it is a dream. Exactly here, your consciousness is accepting the form level activities, happenings to be real, to be real, to be real, because it is yet to wake up to know that it is already beyond space, it is already beyond birth, it is already beyond death, and it is already beyond the dreamy duality. So your consciousness remaining wakeful by being conscious of itself inwardly in stillness is most essential. And to know the stillness, you need not go anywhere, just simply close your eyes. And to be in stillness, you need not do anything, simply observe silently. So by observing silently, you come to know the stillness within, and also you come to know the wakefulness reality about your conscious state. And by remaining wakeful inwardly, very easily you wake up totally. It is such a simple thing, and you will come to know. I am certain you will not miss your absolute reality by settling inwardly, constantly, consistently. I am helping you not only to know the stillness inwardly, but also to settle there in stillness as much as possible. Then only the wakefulness remains completed. So your consciousness remains incomplete by sleeping, by accepting that it is a person inside the dream, and your consciousness completes its wakefulness only when it is conscious of itself. So, know the conscious state inwardly as you are now, and know to observe silently as you are now, even with eyes open and wherever you are. Nothing affects you. No words affect you once you are conscious of yourself inwardly. No happenings affect you once you are conscious of yourself inwardly. No movement affects you once you are conscious of yourself inwardly. Your consciousness is beyond movements. No movement can affect your consciousness. No object can affect your consciousness, because your consciousness is already prior to objects, and every object happens out of your consciousness. So by knowing the conscious state inwardly, constantly, you are totally relieved from the perceived dreamy duality show, which is spontaneously happening just now at an unexplainable speed, nowhere but in your consciousness. At least now, after listening to these teachings, take my words deeply and get to know the conscious state inwardly, constantly, consistently. I am using all these words only to indicate the conscious state which is eternally ever present, and how your consciousness is unknowingly sleeping by accepting itself to be a person, and how your consciousness can wake up easily by knowing its conscious state. Listen to my teachings deeply. I know that you are already that, and I know that you are always that. This teaching is exclusively to wake up your consciousness to realize that you are already that and always that. You are the eternal, endless reality, and you are the only eternal, endless reality, and you are the exclusive observer, and you prevail here beginninglessly, endlessly, and nothing never happens to you, the observer. Once you know to settle inwardly in stillness, automatically you will stabilize there. Automatically you will settle there. No effort is needed to settle inwardly, because effort is a movement. Effortlessly you are in that state. You are already conscious. You cannot become conscious, and you have become a person. Just because you have become a person inside the dream, to you the dream is the only reality. But you are prior to the form. You are the source of not only your form, all forms. See, the moment you are conscious, in deep sleep you do not know that you are. Just when you wake up, you are conscious of your presence. The same moment, simultaneously, entire world happens. All forms happen. Nowhere but in your consciousness. So only by settling inwardly, beyond words, you come to know the indescribable richness about your endless eternity. Just now you are in timelessness. Time cannot affect you. Just now you are beyond space. Even the space is within you. You are beyond space. Space just happens nowhere but in your consciousness. Instead of worrying about the objects, first get to know the conscious state out of which every object happens spontaneously. Just now, in your consciousness, everything appears. That too in no time. I am ever here beyond words. I am just using words to indicate the absolute reality about yourself. Be with me beyond words. Wakefulness is certain. Realization is certain. Enough of sleeping. Wake up consciously, inwardly, constantly, consistently, to know that you are already that and always that. To know that you are eternally that and endlessly that. Never miss to know your supreme reality. Enough of sleeping. Wake up consciously to know what you are and where you are, already and always.